Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I organized my nightstands or bedside tables. Please subscribe to Joy of Being a Homemaker and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you. And this is my master bedroom and I have nightstands on either side of the bed. The right hand side one is mine and the left hand side one is my husband's. In the previous videos, few of them asked me where my son sleeps. We used to co-sleep before. As he is old enough now, since last month, he has been sleeping in his own bed that is opposite to our bed. And now coming to the nightstand organization. This is a 2-drawer nightstand. Right next to my nightstand in the corner, I keep a small trash bin. It not only serves the purpose of collecting trash, but it also helps in hiding the wires. And coming to the top of the nightstand, I don't like to keep a lot of things on the top. I have a candle on the left that I like to lit occasionally, and I also keep a water bottle so that I don't have to get out of my bed if I am feeling thirsty at nights. And I place a coaster in the bottom so that the watermarks doesn't spoil the table. And I also have a night lamp right next to that. And a tip for you, if you don't want your wood top to get spoiled, try to stick adhesive felt pads in the bottom of your night lamp so that when you move things it doesn't spoil the top. You can find them in dollar store or you can find them in any fabric store near you. And now coming to the drawers. In the first drawer, I have these white bins that I got from dollar store. They come in a pack of 3. In the first bin, I keep all my chargers and earphones in this. As I have the outlet right next to my right stand, I don't like all the wires hanging from the outlet. So after I charge my electronics, I roll them and I keep them in my nightstand. And I use these small binder clips to keep them together. And in the back, I also keep my bigger hair clip. And in the second bin, I keep my lip balms and a remote for my pedestal fan. And next to that, in this black bin, this is a candle box that I got from Bath and Body Works. I use the candle and I repurpose the box. I keep a pen and small sticky pads in this. I write my to-do list in the sticky notes and I stick them onto my fridge so that I don't forget the things that I need to do. And in the back, I have this clear bin in which I keep my pen drive and hard drive in which I store all my videos and YouTube related things. And I also have a big bottle of moisturizer and I keep this small box in which I store coconut oil. In the night, after I hop onto my bed, I like to moisturize my feet. So I keep coconut oil and a pair of socks in this. And now coming to the bottom drawer. I keep my laptop in which I edit my videos. I keep it in here because after my son goes to bed, I edit my videos. So I keep the laptop right next to my bed. If I am planning on editing a video, I have my laptop right next to me. And I also keep my iPad. Some days if I don't feel like sleeping, I watch some YouTube videos in my iPad. And I also have this sunglass case which I repurposed again to keep my cell phone tripod stand and an extra earphones and an extra wall charger in this. And I also keep a journal in here. And this is all for my side of the nightstand. And finally, the overview. And finally, a small tip. When you are shopping for your night lamps, try to find the ones that have cord hung from the bottom, not hanging from the top, so that the wire is in the back and when someone enters into the room they can't see the wires. And now coming to my husband's side. It is the same ones like mine with two drawers. On the top, similar to my side, I have a night lamp and a water bottle. Unlike me, my husband doesn't like candles, so I keep a warmer on his side. And now coming to the drawers. In the first drawer, I use the white bin that is left from the 3-pack. My husband keeps his wallet in this white bin. As he is at work now, this bin is empty. Next to that, these two organizers came from dollar store as well. In the first bin, he keeps his watch and Fitbit and few of his cards. Again, I used a small binder clip to keep them together. And in the back bin, he keeps his memory cards that are his work related ones, and he also has a massaging ball that he uses regularly. And in the back, I keep few of my son's diapers. As my husband doesn't have a lot of things to store like I do, I keep my son's diapers on his side. And now coming to the bottom drawer. He also keeps his laptop in this drawer along with his tablet and headphones that he uses when he watches a movie. And he also keeps a box of tissues in his nightstand. And this is all for my husband's side. Finally, the overview. And this is how I organized my nightstands. I hope you liked my video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.